What up guys, welcome to another video. Today we are doing something special, not usual for the workshop. Yeah, it's usual because we are filming all the time. But this time we are filming a bit for real because we are doing a product video for a super dope product that we've gotten from the AutoLift Produciton. It's a Czech-based company which is producing these super dope car lifts. And again, I'll be in front of the camera, but behind the camera it's gonna be one of our media guys, Sergio. He's also doing a lot of nice DOP stuff for Mary Studios and working for clients like Akrapovic, which is super dope. We are be setting up like super light setup, not like too many big lights, not like huge camera and stuff like that, but upgraded version of what we do for vlogs. As our workshop is quite getting super busy nowadays, and the lifts are basically full every single day, this is coming in quite handy to work on the S14. Well, at least the stuff that we can do, yeah, it makes life much easier. So this is the product that we are actually using, and the product that is gonna be the main stuff for this product video. As mentioned, this product is made by AutoLift Produciton, and it's actually called AUTOLIFT3000. And it's a tilt lift. What's that? A bit later. Super cool thing about it is that one man can set it up. Like one man can carry it around and one man can put it under the car and lift the car up. It's so easy that even our crew manager can do this job. The lift can lift up to 3000 kilos, aka 3 tons. Which is quite nice. So if you're also having like a pickup truck or something like that, yeah, it's gonna do the job super well. The cool feature about it is that you can actually use it everywhere. As mentioned, it's a one-man job to carry it around. Well, today we are not gonna lift it super high up, because if you wanna do that with such a low car, you need to set up like some ramps in front or something like that, so the front doesn't hit the floor when the rear is super high up. Okay, so let's check out the final product video. Hi, I'm Drey Nitrous, pilot of the 32nd Drift Squadron Nissan S14 Tomcat. Today I'm going to present you a convenient solution for lifting cars, an AUTOLIFT3000, a tilting lift. A Czech Republic-based company, AutoLift Produciton, came with this awesome, innovational solution how you lift your car. The first awesome thing is that you can use it anywhere. You can use it in a parking lot, in a small garage, in a big workshop, or you take it out on the racetrack and use it in a paddock. It's easy, it's quick, it's safe, and it's versatile. AutoLift3000, it's light, so it's easy to carry around, and it's also easy to set up. Heck, you don't need a technical crew, you can use your team manager. He just needs to plug in an electric drill or a battery powered drill and lift it up. And if you don't have any of those, you can do it by hand. Once your car is airborne, you have an easy access, so you can change the differential, rods, tires, suspension, or set up a suspension. And the final feature about AutoLift is, once the rear is up in the air, you can easily push it down and tilt up the front, so you can have an access to the front as well. How awesome is this? So AutoLift3000, it's an awesome solution for a crew. Why? Because we can easily take it out on the racetrack, and it makes the job for the tech crew a lot easier. And besides that, we as well can use it in our workshop, as our main lifts are occupied with some other projects and we need to do some small stuff on the car. AutoLift3000, convenient solution. Tilting lift. So we have this awesome product. even need a tagger. You can also use the... Hey, you don't even need... Okay, change. Some track custom to use the workshop, especially if you have a lift. You can take it out on the racetrack and use it in your pedal. Oh, fuck, shake. Yeah. To lift it up, and if you have for differential change, suspension change, or suspension. Pretty cool. AUTOLIFT3000, baby. Woo! So this was it. Hope you liked the video. Hope you like the product. Make sure to check out the AutoLift Production on Facebook, on the website. Comment down below what you think about the product and how would you use the product. Guys, till next time, you know what you need to do. Share, like, comment to our content, and till next time, see ya!
Truck 46, 2 miles out.